In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel link for editing. If you've ever needed teammates or clients to jump into a spreadsheet and make updates with you, sharing an edit link is the fastest way to get everyone working in the same file at the same time with changes saved automatically. Here's how to do it smoothly and avoid the common permission headaches. First, open your workbook in Microsoft Excel Online in your web browser. This is the version of Excel that lives in the cloud, typically through your OneDrive or SharePoint. Make sure the file you want to share is open and that you can see the cells and ribbon just like a normal Excel sheet. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Share button. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a button with the word Share or as an icon. Either way, clicking it opens the sharing panel where you control who gets access and what they can do. Now choose how you want to share. If you want maximum convenience and you're not dealing with sensitive data, select Anyone with the link can edit. This creates a link that anyone who receives it can open and edit, even if they're outside your organization, subject to your organization's policies. If you need tighter control, pick Specific People. With that option, you'll enter the email addresses of the people you trust, and only they'll be able to open and make changes. Before you continue, make sure the setting to allow editing is turned on so recipients can actually make changes, not just view the file. If you don't see that option, it may already be enforced by your organization. Once your permission choice is set, copy the link. In most cases, there's a copy link button in the same panel. Click it, and the edit-enabled link is placed on your clipboard. It's a good idea to glance at the summary text in the panel to confirm it indicates editing is allowed, so you don't accidentally send a view-only link. Finally, send it. Paste the link into an email, a chat message, or your collaboration tool of choice. Add a quick note so people know the link grants editing access and that changes save automatically. Depending on your settings, recipients may be asked to sign in or request access. That's normal, especially when using Specific People. That's it. Open the file in Excel Online, click Share, choose the right permission level, copy the link, and send it. You'll be collaborating in no time.